Hi guys, welcome to SAS Base Course Class 7. Today we are going to learn all these topics. Let's start. For today's class, I am going to use this input underscore dataset. This is just a random dataset I have created for today's class only. It contains ID, name, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 variables. ID variable is numeric variable, name is character variable, and D1 to D6, all these variables are numeric variables. Let's move to the code section. The first topic is underscore numeric underscore. So I'll just comment this numeric. What it does, this represents all numeric variables. Data, all numeric, set, input underscore data, run, and what we will do, I'll read only numeric variables. Keep underscore numeric underscore. All underscore numeric data set will have only numeric variables of this input underscore data. As I mentioned, underscore numeric underscore, this will read only numeric variables. Now you can see it has variables ID and D1 to D6. And name variable that was character variable has dropped. Next is, I'll just copy this line. Underscore character underscore, this represents all character variables. I'll just copy this code and here I'll just change character, and here also I'll just copy this and change. So what it does, this represents all character variables, and here what we are doing, we are creating all underscore character dataset and keeping only character variables. All character variables will be read from this dataset and written in output dataset. Select run. Only one character variable was there, so that's why it has kept only one variable. Let's copy this. And next operator is single hyphen, and then we have double hyphen. Single hyphen, hyphen, what it does, this represents consecutive variables with similar prefix. Hyphen is basically a range operator, so you can give a range. I'll just mention here hyphen dataset, and then I'm saying keep only variable D1 to D6. Here I have given a range using hyphen, and you can see D is similar prefix, and what is changing, D1 to D6. Select run. Output dataset contains only variable D1 to D6. Next is double hyphen. Double hyphen. What it does, this is used to specify variables based on the order of the variables as they appear in the data set. This is used to specify variables based on the order of the variables as they appear in the data set. What it will do, I will say print all the variables from ID to D3. Here we were giving a similar type of pattern, but here what I am saying, all the variables, and I type here double hyphen. Now you can see I am printing all the variable from ID to D3. So from ID to D3, what all variables were? ID, name, D1, D2, D3. Select run. You can see it has printed ID, name, D1, D2, D3, and then we have D4, D5, D6, but here we have mentioned only ID, name, D1 to D3. We are clear about double hyphen. Next is copy all this. Then we have variable dash numeric dash variable dash character dash, and the last is colon. So we'll cover all these three now. I'll just give list was dash dash. It's not underscore numeric underscore, it is dash character dash. And what it does, this represents all character variables between two variables. For example, if I mention like this, what I am saying, all the character variables between id and d3. Keep all the character variables between id and d3. Select, run. So only one character variable between id and d3. So only one variable is written in output dataset list underscore operator. Next is numeric. This represents all numeric variables between two variables. I'll change this to numeric. id dash numeric dash d3. All numeric between id and d3. id d1 d2 d3. Only one character variable was there, that was name, that has dropped. Last is colon. Colon. What it does, this operator selects all variables with a given prefix. This operator selects all variables with a given prefix. That means I will give prefix colon. What I am saying, keep all the variables that starts with D. Here let's rename this to colon. Select and see it has all D1 to D6 variables have been written to output dataset. We will use these operators in our upcoming classes. Here interview question can be asked. Question is, create a dataset new underscore cars using SAS help.cars and keep only character variables. Condition is you do not know variable names and also not allowed to open dataset and see variables. Let's quickly solve this question. We'll create data new underscore cars set SAS help.cars and keep equal underscore character underscore semicolon run. Select, run. All the variables are character variables. Make, model, type, origin, drivetrain. How simple this is. And I have noticed that people in the interview are not able to answer this type of question also. So guys, if you like this class and you think this was useful, please mention in the comment section. We will meet in the next class. Till the time, bye and take care.